What's going on, guys? Seancutshair back with another video, and guys, special delivery from TOMB45. Get through the intro and we'll check it out. Alright guys, so most of you guys know that TOMB45 just dropped an extremely limited colored power mat. So there's a few different colors out. Leave a comment down below if you can guess right now what color you think that I got. So we're gonna go ahead and open this box, guys. Now the power mat is gonna be pretty much the same. The only difference is gonna be the color. And I know a lot of you guys, you know, it's a pretty expensive product, so if you have one already, you probably didn't want to go get the other one, but you know I gotta support my team. And when I saw this one, I just knew it's what I had to have. So we're gonna go ahead and open it up, and then we will install it on the station. Alright guys, so the box is the same. We're gonna go ahead and open it up. But real quick, I wanted to tell you guys, for those of you guys who've been following me for a while, you guys know kind of my journey with TOMB45. And when I got my first power mat, I'm gonna show you guys the back. When I first got it and I read the list of all the names on here, I said to myself, I want my name on the box. I'm gonna grind until I get my name on the box. And I don't literally mean my name on this box. That would be cool, but basically what I'm saying, guys, is you know, these are guys that have made themselves officially a part of the TOMB45 team. And that is the goal I have in mind, is to, you know, have my own products on the website, or my name on the box, my name on the website. So I'm gonna keep grinding until we get there, guys. You know, it's a long process, but I'm just gonna keep putting in the work and see if the opportunity comes. But anyways, let's get this box open and check it out. You guys check that out. Got that TOMB45 green. Man, I know you guys like that. You know I had to get the TOMB45 green. You guys know we revamped the channel to have all green artwork, so you guys know I had the green. Anyway, let's get on the station, take the old one out, and we'll go ahead and put this bad boy in. Perfect, perfect, perfect. the Powermat. I hope you guys liked it. I gotta be honest, I love this clipper, but now with the green mat, it's gotta go. So guys, I'm gonna throw this on the website, Seancutshair.com. I'm gonna include a couple color enhancement cards with it. You will get the green power clip and the green clipper. So go to the website if you want. First come, first serve, guys. I got it on there for sale. You guys can cop it and I'll send it out to you. Anyway, other than that, guys, the mat, it looks dope. I love the green color. You guys know I'm revamping my channel to the TOMB45 green to go with my new logo. I got a lot more coming with that. I want to let you guys know some of my upcoming videos. Guys, I'm doing a graphic design video to show you guys all of the apps that I use to create all the different artwork for Instagram and for YouTube. And I'm going to drop some gems on you guys so that you guys can create your own stuff. I may even go into doing a video every once in a while showing you guys how to make things like iPhone backgrounds, channel art, Instagram profile pictures, or Facebook cover photos, specifically making things that fit those certain things. I also ordered the Filthy mod from my guy Filthy Blends. I'm going to show you guys how to install it, and my man hooked me up with 2. So when we get done with that, I'm going to give one of these away to a lucky winner on that video. And guys, I also got a package from Fresh Barber Co. Guys, this is the first package that I've received as a YouTuber. Somebody that wants me to just try out their product and put out a video. So guys, we're gonna do a video. I got a beard balm and a matte clay, so we're gonna go over those and review them. And guys, you know I've been working hard on revamping my whole channel, so I'm gonna have a whole video showing you guys everything that I did and letting you guys see it for the first time. So also guys, Monday the 25th, I'll be back to work and I'm gonna have some haircut tutorials for you guys. I can't wait to get my hands on some clippers and cut some hair. But anyways guys, I hope you like this video. Leave a comment down below. Make sure you give that thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys next time. If you guys aren't subscribed to my channel, make sure you click this link right here. If you want to check out some more content from me, check out this video right here. Appreciate it.